Hello everyone, Stephen Jones here. Hope you're having a great holiday season. Running this fun little circuit designed by LaserSaber, Gadget and LynxSteam have made modifications. Self-charging for some people, I don't know. The voltage here seems to be holding fairly steady, and I'm running green and a yellow LED, and the red one over here is lit up dimly. And so a couple LEDs, pretty bright there, and it's a lot of fun. Those are the output LEDs over here, oriented in the way shown. I've written that on the schematic. Now I've got the probe for the oscilloscope attached across the LEDs on the output LEDs over here, and I'm seeing that we get these bursts that are approximately 17 microseconds apart, so that sounds like 60 cycle here between. But if I look at one of these bursts, it's certainly not 60 cycle. It's much faster than that, and it's a little hard for this thing to resolve that. But I've looked at the spacing, and I agree with this. It's about 4.4 kilohertz, 4 to 4.4 kilohertz for this signal once you spread that out and take a look at it. So that's the first look I've got at the frequency of this little oscillator. It's a jewel thief type oscillator, but certainly with some major modifications. It's got 2 transistors. I've replaced this diode with a red LED. It seems to work a little better. This is just a simple diode here, and I'm using as my transformer here, I'm using 7 turns of about 26 gauge. That's the green wire there. Let's see if the flashlight will help show that a little bit on the video. And this is just a little coil out of a CFL base, a compact fluorescent light base, as recommended by LynxSteam. So there you go, it works just fine and going away. Oh yeah, I'm checking the voltage. It's holding fairly steady right now at 2.3823 volts, 2223 volts across the system here. I've got a little battery, and as you can see, 2 rechargeable batteries in series, and so they're not fully charged by any means. But I also ran with my power supply, and it showed 0 milliamp draw at 2 volts. It runs just fine at 2 volts. I'm down to about 1.8 volts. If I disconnect the ground connection, then I just get flickering in the yellow LED. I don't see much power. My antenna is an antenna here, if you can see rabbit ears. So it's kind of a fun experiment, and thanks, gentlemen. We'll continue experimenting with this. Lots of fun. Thanks again. Cheers. And Merry Christmas.